Here we have the wild fidget spinner in its natural habitat. The fidget spinner is a very dangerous item. You should never get too close to a fidget spinner, because the fidget spinner will eat you and will spin on you. Here the fidget spinner's prey, a lonely piece of bread. This piece of bread has been separated from its loaf, so it's very vulnerable to the fidget spinner's attack. Now, we're going to keep watching this fidget spinner and see if anything happens. Look at this fidget spinner. Look at that patch. It's already got some prey. Look at that. Time to see what will happen next. What was that? I just heard something. Whoa. Is that some more bloodstains from the fidget spinner? What was the noise? Oh my god, the fidget spinner just killed that bread. I bet can't for a fidget spinner sees me.